Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X4 M Competition in Alpine White with Sakhir Orange interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X4 M Competition in Alpine White. I've got the key with me, so let me just hit unlock. And there's the headlights on. And I'm just going to do a lap all the way around the vehicle. So I'm not sure if we're going to see this vehicle again. There's no plans as of right now for an updated X4. And there's also no plans for a G45 body style X3M. So right now, this is the only S58 SUV or sports activity coupe or sports activity vehicle in our entire lineup. So I'm not sure how many more chances I'll get with this X4M or any X4s. So I definitely wanted to share it with you. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at all the details. So this is the classic Alpine White. We have the line coming down this way, two in the center, and then one more on the side just coming around here. We've got the rondelle up front and center. We have the one piece high gloss black kidney grille with the double vertical slats. So we've got doubles, and then we've got the X4M badging on the driver's side. Front camera at the front here. And overall, front bumper looks very aggressive. A lot of functional air ducts for the braking, intercoolers, all that good stuff down here. And you can see there's a radar puck here. When we take a closer look at the headlights, you'll see that these are the laser headlights. So let me just get the headlights on here. And if I press and hold the panic button for 1 second, we can get the full low beam system on. So that's the pathway lighting. That looks sweet. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 21-inch double spoke 892M wheels, and these are jet black burnish with that massive red M compound brake back there. That looks sweet. And you see that we've got the X4M air breather on the fender. There's a little cutout slot here for the welcome light carpet. It's just not really visible here. I can kind of see it, but it's a little bit too bright in here. And then we have the black M wing mirrors. We have the sunroof up top. We have the shark fin style antenna. We have the side silhouette of a sports activity coupe. We've got the previous style door handles. So that means we do have touch comfort access on all four. Hofmeister kink is here. We've got a little deck lid spoiler, and then we've got a spoiler on the actual tailgate with a little bit of a design in it. It's not just a straight spoiler. And when we come to the back, you can see that we have the L-shaped tail lights. Let me get them back on. We've got the vertical reflectors on each side, quad exhaust tips with the rear diffuser. And we've got the X4 M Competition badging here. The BMW rondelle itself is a handle to open this, but we can also press the tailgate button, the key. We can also kick underneath here. So once this is opened up, there's a cargo cover here. There's another cargo cover here. These are the carpeted mats. We have a 12-volt plug and a grocery bag hanger. If I take this off, there's a plastic storage bin down here. Same thing on the other side. Just down there. And let me just put this back on each side. So if I lift this up, we actually have a spare tire in this one. So there's your spare tire. We got a little kit here for wheel lock, key, and tow hook just in there. And somewhere here we've got some tools for jack, I'm sure. Otherwise there's no point to have this spare. And you have access to this compartment from this section, which is pretty sweet. And then once you put this back down, up top there's a button to close, another one to close and lock. But like I mentioned, we can kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. Sweet. Now when we come around to the passenger side, you're going to see that we have the fuel cap door. It is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane, BMW M recommend Shell V-Power. And counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot here to put this. And when you're done, clockwise, one click, and just shut the door. And then we have the rear door. Let's open that up. So inside, first of all, you'll see that we've got some nice stitching going across. And then we have carbon fiber trim. We have some ambient light in here. And of course, we've got the beautiful Sakhir Orange Merino leather interior. And child safety lock is here. There's your window switch. It's got a little X in there. Door pockets. There's some recline for the seat down here. And let's have a closer look at these beautiful seats. There's a release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Armrest in the center with some cup holders, right? And we also have a pass-through through the center. And the center headrest can flip up or flip down. And of course, we have the lovely M tricolor seat belts. And look at the beautiful stitching here. And you can't smell it on camera, but this leather smell is intoxicating. Up top, we have some lights. There's a swiveling coat hanger. So just on my side, I'll show you. There's the coat hanger. We've also got some vents in the back of the center console. We also have heated seats for the two outer positions, a little storage area, two USB Type-C charging ports. And then over here, we've got some more vents with some more lighting. So now that we've taken a look back here, let's shut this door. And we'll open the front door next. So once we open up the front door, so again on the inside, you'll see that we've got the nice stitching going across, ambient light, carbon fiber, door handle, unlock, lock, Harman Kardon sound system, more stitching, window switch, more stitching, and some pockets. We have the X4 M Competition door sill, and you can see a little bit of that welcome light carpet here. And just before we miss it, it says X4 here on the B pillar as well, that's imprinted. So these are the front seats. Look how awesome they are. So these are Sakhir Orange with some black in there as well. So full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. There's a manual under the thigh extension. The headrest is power and the headrest M illuminates. And of course, we've got the M seat belts up here as well. So that is awesome. And we have nice stitching going across. Down here is your glove box. We have iDrive operating system with a massive screen. We have physical climate controls with ventilated seats. So if I press this, you'll see that we can actually have heat and ventilation at the same time because they run off two separate systems. The heat heats up and the ventilation sucks the air through. We've got some programmable memory buttons. It says X4 M Competition down here. And we open this up. There's a wireless charger. There's a USB Type A. This is a spot to put your key if you wish. You have some cup holders, 12-volt plug. We have the M gear selector with the M emblazoned on the top there. That's awesome. Tricolor stitching around it. Red push start button. And we've got traction, 180-degree view cam, driver assist, automatic engine start stop off, M mode setup, exhaust sounds, auto hold, electronic parking brake, and hill descent control. If I lift this up, there's a USB Type-C charging port in there. These are some pathways for some cables to come out so they don't get pinched. Let's shut this door and we'll open up the door on the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, I'll open up the door. Inside, again, we'll see more stitching, more carbon fiber, more ambient lights. Window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release. You can push that to open, pull and hold to close while the key's inside. Harman Kardon and door pockets. X4 M Competition door sill. Again, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. There is your M steering wheel with the M tricolor stitching going around. M at 6 o'clock. This one's got some cruise control things. M1 config, M2 config. Leather steering wheel, airbag cover. And we've got the head-up display. The nice cowl with the stitching across. Exterior lighting controls down here. Storage space down here. And up top, we've got the sunroof open. We've got the rear view mirror with the buttons underneath for the universal garage door opener. The visor can come down, the visor can open with the mirror, and this can come out and it can extend. So now that we've looked at all of this great stuff in here, down here is your hood release. It says 2 times on it, but they wrote it in black on a black surface. So it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front of the vehicle, we will not have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up, and there it is, the beautiful S58 3-liter inline-6 twin turbo, and this is producing 503 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque. We've got the strut brace going through the engine cover, and then 2 more on each side. Positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal is this post down here. It's labeled. Washer fluid goes over here. What a beautiful engine bay. We also have the 2 latches under the BMW hood, so it's just a matter of bringing this down, and from about halfway, literally just send it. Perfect. So before we conclude the video, I'm going to do one more lap all the way around. So how many of you would like to see an X4 continue? And how many of you would be happy with an X4 that resembles our new X3? None of this is planned or in production or anything like that. But I'm a little bit sad to see the X4 leave our lineup. But we've got an interesting whole new Der Neue class of vehicles coming out in the near future. So that should be interesting. How do you like the X4 M Competition? All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X4 M Competition in Alpine White with Sakhir Orange interior. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.